As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Algorand cost will hit $0.5 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.7 by the center of 2025. Algorand will ascend to $1 inside the time of 2031. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at on 2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at on 2081, so the cost diminished by 3% from the very start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $42, and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 93%. In 2024, we hope to see $35 per one Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $54. In the last part, the cost would lose $03 and close the year at $51, which is plus 134% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $51 to $72, which is up 41%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $51, then take off to $54 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $59. That implies plus 171% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.72 to $101, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.72, then, at that point, take off to $0.76 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $80. It is about plus 267% from today. Z215204. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1859, so the cost diminished by 17% from the outset of the year. The Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.48, and the year-to-year change plus 113%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 158%. In 2024, we hope to see $33 per one Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $56. In the final part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $59, which is plus 217% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $59 to $101, which is up 71%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $59, then take off to $64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $68. That implies plus 266% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $101 to $146, which is plus 45%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $101, then, at that point, take off to $107 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $113. It is about plus 508% from today. Z2124. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.53. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.2562, so the cost diminished by 31% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $35 and the year-to-year change plus 55%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 124%. In 2024, we hope to see $24 per one Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $41. In the final part, the cost would add $02 and close the year at $43, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $43 to $171, which is up 65%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $43, then at that point, take off to $46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $49. That implies plus 214% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $71 to $103, which is plus 45%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $71, then, at that point, take off to $75 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $79. It is about plus 406% from today. 01152 Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.53. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.92, so the cost diminished by 16% from the very start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.41, and the year-to-year change plus 82%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 117%. In 2024, we hope to see $32 per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will drop to $39. In the final part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $42, which is plus 122% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $42 to $63, which is up half. Algorand will begin 2026 at $42, then take off to $46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $43. That implies plus 127% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.63 to $0.92, which is plus 46%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.63 and finish 2031 at $0.63. It is about plus 233% from today. 21224. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.29, so the cost diminished by 2% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $58, and the year-to-year change plus 157%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 163%. In 2024, we hope to see $45 per 1 Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will drop to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $04 and close the year at $59, which is plus 167% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $59 to $90, which is up 53%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $59, then take off to $64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $60. That implies plus 172% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.90 to $1.33, which is plus 48%. Algorand will begin 2031